Hello everyone, this is Alfred with another YouTube video. This time we have the IKEA Power Adapter bricks. We have in all variants that they offer right now in this marking. I don't know how to pronounce that in Swedish, but in that brand marking. We starting from the left to right, we have it's a USB Type-C power adapter, 20 watts power delivery brick. Next we have the USB-C power delivery 30 watts. The two USB-C capable adapter at 45 watts. And their newest offering and most powerful offering that they have right now with this brand from IKEA, it is the one USB Type-C 65 watt power delivery. So these are the four that are currently offered at IKEA's. Let me turn them around so we can get a little bit more information on the charging capabilities. Starting with the 20 watt power delivery, you can see here it's 15 watts max, or I'm sorry, 20 watts max, thus the 20 watt power delivery. You can see the voltage there, IKEA. For the 30 watt power delivery, here's here on the side, the input. Again, obviously the 30 watt max. The 45 is here. And here is some of the specifications there. Obviously 45 watts max. The capacity could be 45 watts max if you're using one. If you're using two, it could be 36 watts. So there's that there, or 22 watts divided by 2, or times 2, make it 45-ish. Then we have your 65 watt here, because it's single port, 65 watt power delivery. But then there's there for the voltage and how many watts will be transferred. Let me go ahead and take them out of the box and I will be right back. Okay everyone, so I'm back, and here is what they look like out of the box and what comes with it. What comes first is you can see the power bricks and the size comparison. This here is the 20 watt version compared to the 30 watt version. And compare that to the 45 watt version, which is the same height but different widths. Obviously for the 45 version, it supports two USB Type-Cs as compared to the 30 watt version, where it's 21, and the single for the 20 watt version as well. And then here is the 65 watt version, and put size comparison there. It is definitely a little taller than the 45 watt version. It is slimmer as far as width goes, but it is a little taller. And same thing with the 65 watt version. It is a single USB Type-C port, whereas the 45 is the most versatile out of the four, where you can connect two USB-Cs to charge two different things. So that's that there. Here are the stickers that come with the power bricks. You can, if you have multiple of these kinds, you can put like a blue one or a yellow one or a green one, just to make sure that that is yours, because people tend to take that from other folks. But overall, just a quick look at the 65 watt version, the 45 watt version, 30 watt version, and the 20 watt version with the stickers. Here are the respective little manuals. I'm not really going to go through it. It's just basically basic information of the wattage and whatever it says on the box, pretty much. Definitely just want to show you here the sides. So let me turn these around. And basically they're going to say the same thing that the box said about the wattage and voltage and stuff like that. But I can go ahead and give you a close-up and you can freeze frame it. Starting with the 20 watt version, here's some of the specifics there. Again, 20 watts, 15 volts, 12 volts, 9 volts. Here is the 30 watt version. Let me focus that there for you. So there's the input power, the type, USB charger, again 30 watts, made in China. Here is the 45 dual version, again made in China as well, 45 watts, capable up to 45 watts. So there's a little bit of information there. Let me focus. And lastly, we have the 65 watt version here, which is the newest offering that IKEA currently has. This one also is made in China, and there is your wattage outputs and inputs. So there you have it. This isn't really a review of these chargers. Definitely am going to use them, charging my tablets, my phones, and curious to know if the 65 watt version is capable to charge my HP laptop, which I'm sure it is, but I will be go ahead and using that, and whether, how fast things get charged, and if the 65 watts is exactly what the charging rate is. But again, thanks for watching. Just want to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the IKEA chargers in 20, 30, 45, and 65 watt versions. Alrighty, y'all. If you have any questions, definitely comment at the bottom. If you like the video, please like it. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you on the next one. Late. So I did want to give you pricing details on the power adapters here. So starting with the 20 watt version here, this one is currently on sale retail at $3.99. For the 30 watt version, looking at the website, currently is retailing at $7.99. For the 45 dual power adapter, it is on retail for $24.99. And lastly, for the newest offering, the 65 watt power delivery adapter, it retailing at $24.99. So there is some pricing for y'all if y'all are interested in purchasing these adapters at your local IKEA.